This is our 7th year doing the same kind of gala. And I was tracing in the morning while reviewing what I need to speak here about what we have done so far from Gala 1 to Gala 7. Immense changes. And why? Because we come together as a community. It's the community support, the networking platform, the sisterhood that we created about 7 years ago has grown immensely. We used to think that we need a platform where we can speak our mind, we can uplift each other, socialize. So idea was to meet up with deeper purpose. But then when we started meeting up at multiple places, informal networking through Empower Through Adventure and many other programs, we realized that we have created a community. And that community has grown so much so that the platform where we were uplifting each other, we started getting calls of those who really needed our help. So those who leave messages in whispers to us, they did not want someone in the next door room to hear them, are the ones who really needed this empowerment project. So apparently, just a few years ago, we started our domestic violence program. Thank you to my colleague Ghazal. She initiated that, and since then we are a completely different program. So we do network, we do immense, beautiful looking get-togethers like this one, but we also do serious work now. Our Shehzori project and domestic violence project has floated immensely. 3 years ago, we started a shelter and we call it Shehzori House. Shehzori House has changed our team's lives. We are working, let me tell you, there are days we work 24/7. It's a volunteer project, but when we get calls, when we have to go to court with them, when we have to sit and talk to some of these victims' in-laws to make them understand that they are hurting them, this becomes a project of a passion. And so this Shehzori project started apparently with our Assemblyman Sturdy Stanley's seed funding. Second year we survived, first year we survived with that, second year we survived with our community support, community like yours supported us. Third year, we were approached by really great 2 individuals, and they felt that this project needs to expand. We only used to accommodate only 8 people, 8 individuals. We needed to expand, and we needed to make it more formal project. So Al-Wali Masjid's Board of Trustee, Brother Siraj, Brother Maqbool reached out to us, and we just went with it, and mashallah, that program has grown so much. We have 12 women and children living in that house now. It's a bigger house, they have more resources, they have zakat funds, and those ladies are now working more faster to become empowered. They have food pantry, they have their own school. So we have resolved a lot of issues with the collaboration of Masjid Al-Wali. Jazakallah khair for this work. And Jazakallah khair for allowing us to work with you. The Sisters Committee of Al-Wali is phenomenal. It's extremely mobilized community. I can't thank them enough. Without them, this project could not have grown this much. And although I should not say that, I'm really thrilled that this project is growing, because we have sisters who are going through difficult time. They are going through distress in their time, in their lifetime. So we do not want any sisters to experience that. But it happens. When a community grows and problems happen, we need to identify them. And as a community, we need to come together to help them out. And this is our mission. It's a very simple mission: empower women, strengthen families, and uplift community. Okay. While we are talking about our different programs. One of our programs that we just launched last year is Synergistic Connection. It is a networking platform for professional youth. We have program director. Thank you, Danish, for leading this program. We have an event coming up. Please be on the lookout for that. Inshallah, in the beginning of June, we are launching one networking program for professional youth. I also want to highlight another important venture that we just completed. We have a Women in Tech program where we are training women at home to be trained for Salesforce. We have done a pilot program of 3 months, extremely subsidized program. And we had 7 individuals who took up that training. One of them has already received the certification. We have that individual in this room who has done that. So, Sabina, great work. Our Bushra Salman has led that program, so she is supervising it. She has identified a great trainer in Pakistan, so it is apparently a cross-cultural interaction. A young girl from Islamabad is leading that project, and imagine that an American certification program through the support of Pakistan is happening. We have just recently been invited to an overseas Pakistani convention, and we met with Prime Minister, we met with the Chief of Army Staff there. They highly appreciated our work, and we have planned to launch a Pakistani venture of the similar program. So inshallah, next time when we meet, we will we will have more accomplishments at hand. So thanks to Bushra Salman and her great creativity and giving back personality that this will be possible, inshallah. All right, so besides that, I also want to say that tonight while we celebrate, we also have, celebration has a feel, a positive feel. You can see the energy right here amongst each other. But while we celebrate, we will have a small fundraising part where you will see a video, you will see our project's details. I do not want to bore you because there is a part where we are going to explain about the expansion of Shehzori House. We call it Al-Wali Shehzori House now because it's in Al-Wali's facility. Al-Wali provides 100% support in it. We just help them run it with sisters of Al-Wali. But now we have expanded to Shehzori Guest House, which is an affordable housing project. The ladies who leave the shelter, they are still not 100% empowered. They still need community support. So those who graduate from shelter would come to this Shehzori Guest House, and is it better? Okay. And we have just launched this project, and today our fundraiser would be geared towards it mainly. Okay. And on the stage, and I can't say she's my right hand or left hand, she's all my hands. She is the best. Like half of this hall is filled by her guests. She is resilient. I don't know how she does what she does. Bushra, I have introduced. Bushra Salman leads Women in Tech. Sabina Mahmood is our marketing or community outreach personnel. Binish, she does a lot. Our new magazine called Dastan, and initiated by Binish, but now it has transferred to our new chief editor, Kainat Azhar, who's sitting with us. If you can see the outlook of this magazine, it's definitely changed. She's an author herself, and she's going to lead this project into a new place.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.